UGC net results are out a few minutes ago, and here is the cutoff for UGC net December 2025. For unreserved category, it is 164. For OBC, it is 148. For EWS, it is 150. For SC and ST, it is 140. I would like to mention one important point here. We predicted the cutoff, or we can say, instead of prediction, I'm using the word, we calculated the cutoff just 2 days after the exam, not after the answer key or any official release, but immediately after the exam itself. You can cross check across YouTube. The closest cutoff prediction was given by us. Some people feel that when one publishes a cutoff, it should be given as a wide range. Like some people have even predicted cutoff like 168 to 190. That is a wide range, and that's not at all a cutoff prediction. In our case, the range was within 4 questions, that is within 8 marks. For example, 116 to 174, just 4 questions. Our prediction is one of the closest ever in India. Even before the official key or question paper was released, we posted complete answer key for nearly 80 questions. This was the first time in India, and now you can clearly see how close our predicted cutoff is to the actual one. We said for general category it is 166. I mentioned, see in screen you can see our video YouTube short. You can just even verify it. 166 we mentioned, and you can see the cutoff is 164. Just 1 question difference. This is the closest cutoff prediction for the first ever time in India. And see, for SCST we mentioned around 144, and you can see it is 140. And for OBC or VEWS 154, and the cutoff is 150. And we are very proud. No one in India has done this before. Yet many people copied our exact content and claimed us to be beginners, saying they started their academy just 1 year ago. These people are fresh people. We can also look at this positively. Being beginners means we are fresh, we are updated and connected with the current academic world. We can teach our learners about the latest works, even those published in 2026. But those who criticized us, many of you have been running academies for 7 years, 10 years. You printed books long ago and still circulating the same without updating yourself to. But now let me stop this argument here. To all those who didn't crack net exam this time, don't worry. This is not the end of your journey. It's just a phase of your life. Keep working, stay consistent, and you will definitely achieve success. Finally, I want to add one more thing. Little Lantern is never a business. We charge only a minimal amount, around 20 or 30 per class. So if you wish to join us, you are most welcome. Thank you all. Happy learning.